this life is a test. And whatever you will get, it will be faded. Whatever you don't, it will also be faded. So don't stress too much on the fact that you couldn't do something, okay? And that you could always do better afterwards.
Hello everyone. Welcome to Safir's Safe Zone.
Welcome to our safe zone.
Today we'll learn the criteria of mental health.
This is Lamia Ismail, Middle and High School Principal at Safir International School.
My name is Mr. Saad Maad. I'm a biology teacher here in Safir International School.
Hello, I'm Ms. Rahma Jabbari. I'm the middle school and high school assistant.
I have received some bullying, verbal questions by people who surrounded me.
I think the best solution is to speak up, to have somebody to talk to, like some sort of a shelter. If ever you feel bad, you just need to go to somebody and just talk.
We did that by telling them the criteria about mental health, and we told them about how to support.
The activity I'm sharing in will be focusing on mental health awareness, which include activities such as physical awareness, eating healthy food, and much more.
Safir International School is promoting a mental health campaign in which it will educate my colleagues and I the importance of mental health, how to better take care of ourselves, how to spot symptoms of poor mental health, and most importantly, how to reach our full potential to lead promising and fulfilling lives.
I wanted to deliver a message to my fellow colleagues on how to lead a happy life and a good mental health.
I am very proud of my friends, and I'm very proud to be a part of such a vital thing in our community, which is mental health.
To learn coping mechanisms for problems such as dealing with stress, anxiety, and depression. We're going to be doing that through our interactive workshop, in which we're going to be discussing all about mental health.
And at the same time, surround yourself with a network of wise, balanced people.
To be brave enough to face this situation, to talk to someone who can help. Like, for example, in the school, you need to talk to your advisor, or you need to talk to any teacher you trust. We are here to help you anytime.
They should have somebody to talk to. They should feel safe.
We are ready to help them, we are ready to support them, and it's very important to build a supportive environment for people that they are being bullied.
My name is Malik from grade 11, and for the anti-bullying campaign, we're spreading kindness through balloons. These balloons have messages in them to support you through your hard times.